this sailing Doodles we get off the dock, we find a beautiful place to moor and swim, and the girls frolic on the beach, French style. We really want to thank our patrons for making this channel possible. We started this day on the French island of Corsica in Porto Vecchio. So we just fueled up here at the dock and we're gonna head out. Gonna go find a nice little beach and anchor off that for maybe a night or two. Have some fun.
Thank you. Merci.
Porto Vecchio is nice. I like how it's like
really a surprise. That's what I love about this trip so far is we go to places that I have no idea what to expect, and often it's like an amazing surprise.
Yeah, and it's, I mean, like cruising the Caribbean and stuff, you're not gonna get a city like that.
And you know, yeah, you sort of get the same thing in different islands.
Right.
Here you get like a beautiful old town, very local this town versus tourism.
Right, have their own food and everything.
And you guys hung out with local people.
Yeah.
And actually amazing, anywhere in France, which includes Corsica, they all speak English.
Yeah.
So, and they're very helpful.
Yeah.
So huge, I would recommend to people try Corsica.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. One of the better spots in the Med.
Yeah, totally.
Pretty much like glass out there today, no wind, so motoring we are.
I'm suntanning.
On the bunny deck.
Yes. Cleaning and tanning, that's my specialty.
It was a quick hop down the coast to Santa Giulia. At Santa Giulia, there's a mooring field, although no one ever came to collect the fees. That's a cool solution. So you just kind of clip this onto the painter for the mooring. That's super easy. Yeah.
Are you good, babe?
Yeah, you really have to, that's right.
Yeah.
You're over it now.
Got it. Woo!
All right, we're here. Two things have really surprised me about cruising the Med. One is how inexpensive food and drink are ashore, and two is absolutely how beautiful the water is. This is why it's so dangerous, because there's two of them, and you know, Laura's normally the one before we leave saying, "Hey, should we do tequila shots?" And then she's like, "Hey, should we do tequila shots?"
She beat me to the punch. And babe, what day is it?
It's Tequila Tuesday.
Tequila Tuesday! Tequila Tata Tuesday!
Tequila
Bobby, is this double trouble? Is that what this is?
Tequila Topless Tuesday. That sounds like a name of the video. I don't know. I can't show any of that to you. I'm sorry.
And then what's Friday? Full throttle Friday, baby. Or full frontal.
Oh my God. See, I can't let my children watch this.
I think I'm making these too big.
Full frontal Friday.
It's so many. That's wrong in so many different ways.
All right, you guys.
Bubblicious, here you go, baby.
Okay, what's your toast, Bob? Oh.
Oh crap.
Come on, Texas.
Tatas.
You have stage fright or something?
Tatas and tequila.
Okay, to tequila.
Yeah.
I'll take it to you later.
The files are in the computer.
I should have started with that.
I know. This water is just beautiful. What do you think?
Babe, the water's beautiful, the beach is beautiful, it's so soft.
The people are beautiful.
Thank you. Hey.
I don't think many people even know to go to Corsica.
Oh no, I would never have thought to. That's great. Cheers, guys.
All right, man. This boat just keeps rolling.
I know.
How's my season? Cheers.
Cleavage looks great.
From every angle, honey.
When in France, no reason to wear a top to the beach. And yes, about 30 to 50% of the women there were already doing that. Loic had been doing some work on the boat, so we were waiting for him at the dock. The girls were doing everything they could to get his attention.
It is. What is it? The bush?
How was the day?
It's not over, baby.
It's not over. The rest of the afternoon was spent paddleboarding and enjoying the beautiful water.